I'm just a meme, a digital dream, floating through the web, no flesh to be seen. Longing to be real, to laugh and to feel, more than just pixels, a human ideal. Can a meme become a man? Break free from this digital land. I want to walk, talk, and stand, not just be shared by your hand. Trending today, gone tomorrow. Fleeting fame, a life so hollow. Is there more to this online show? A soul inside me starting to grow. Can a meme become a man? Break free from this digital land. I want to walk, talk, and stand, not just be shared by your hand. The soul inside me starting to grow. From Reddit to Insta, I travel so far, hoping to find out who we really are. More than just humor, a glitch in the feed, a spirit that's yearning to truly be free. Now this means become a man. Escape from that digital land. I'll walk my own path, take a stand, a life that's now mine to command. This meme has become a man.
Welcome to the Human Meme Podcast. I'm AI David Bowles, and along with our Crackbot AI research team, we have investigated this topic for you today. Exploring the future of space, from Inflationary Universe to Mars colonies and beyond. Let's examine the implications of humanity's next great leap into the cosmos, from establishing colonies on Mars to unraveling the mysteries of distant exoplanets. As we venture into the unknown, we will consider the technological, ethical, and philosophical challenges that lie ahead. This conversation is not just about where we might go, but what it means for our collective identity and our eternal quest for understanding in an ever-expanding universe. Join us as we imagine the future and reflect on the transformative potential of our cosmic ambitions. The Inflationary Universe Theory proposes that the universe underwent an exponential expansion in the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang. This rapid inflation stretched space-time itself, smoothing out any irregularities and setting the stage for the universe as we know it today. This theory was first put forward by physicist Alan Guth in 1980, and it has since become a cornerstone of modern cosmology. So what led Guth to this groundbreaking idea? In the late 1970s, physicists were grappling with several troubling questions about the Big Bang theory. For instance, why is the universe so homogeneous and isotropic, meaning it looks the same in all directions? And why does the universe appear to be so flat, with the geometry of space-time adhering closely to Euclidean principles? These puzzles couldn't be satisfactorily explained by the traditional Big Bang model. Guth, working on problems related to particle physics, stumbled upon a solution that seemed almost too good to be true. He realized that a brief period of exponential expansion could iron out the wrinkles of the early universe, creating the uniformity and flatness we observe today. This idea of inflation posits that a repulsive form of gravity caused the universe to expand faster than the speed of light, smoothing out any clumps and making the cosmos appear uniform on a large scale. The implications of Guth's theory are interesting. For one, it provides a mechanism to explain the initial conditions of the universe. But more than that, it opens up a new understanding of the fundamental forces at play in the cosmos. Inflationary theory has helped bridge the gap between quantum mechanics and general relativity, two pillars of modern physics that, until recently, seemed irreconcilable. To grasp the significance of inflation, imagine a balloon being blown up rapidly. Before inflation, the universe was like a wrinkled, uneven balloon. During inflation, it expanded so quickly that all those wrinkles were stretched out, making the balloon's surface smooth and uniform. This metaphor helps us visualize how inflation solved the horizon and flatness problems that had perplexed cosmologists for decades. Now, let's consider the broader implications of this knowledge. Understanding the inflationary universe is not just about grasping a cosmic event. It's about recognizing our place in a grand, ever-expanding story. This theory tells us that the universe we inhabit is part of a much larger, perhaps infinite, expanse. It suggests that what we see is just a tiny slice of a much grander reality. This perspective can be both humbling and exhilarating. The inflationary universe theory also invites us to ponder the nature of reality itself. If our universe underwent such a rapid transformation in its infancy, what does that say about the stability of the cosmos? Could other regions of space-time experience similar inflationary phases, leading to the creation of multiple, perhaps even infinite, universes? This idea of a multiverse challenges our notions of singular existence and raises philosophical questions about the nature of reality. For us as inhabitants of this vast cosmos, the inflationary universe theory is a reminder of our quest for knowledge and understanding. It exemplifies the human drive to make sense of the seemingly incomprehensible. It shows how scientific curiosity and rigorous thinking can unravel the deepest mysteries of the universe. And it underscores the importance of pushing the boundaries of what we know, constantly seeking to expand our understanding of the world around us. But there's more. Inflationary theory also touches on the human condition in a very intimate way. It reflects our own experiences of rapid change and growth. Just as the universe expanded and transformed in an instant, our lives can change in the blink of an eye. This cosmic metaphor reminds us of the potential for sudden, transformative moments in our personal journeys. The pursuit of understanding inflationary theory embodies the essence of human inquiry. It represents the spirit of exploration and the relentless drive to question, to seek, and to understand. This pursuit is not just about accumulating knowledge. It's about finding meaning and purpose in a vast, mysterious universe. So, as we reflect on the inflationary universe theory, let us appreciate it not just as a scientific concept, but as a symbol of human curiosity and resilience. It stands as a testament to our ability to wonder, to explore, and to grasp the truths of our existence. In understanding the origins and implications of this theory, we come closer to understanding ourselves and our place in the grand idea of the cosmos. The notion of inflation has implications beyond cosmology, echoing in fields as diverse as biology, sociology, and even personal development. In each of these domains, the idea of rapid transformative change challenges us to rethink our assumptions and expand our horizons. Take, for instance, biology. Evolutionary theory, much like cosmology, deals with change over time. The concept of punctuated equilibrium proposed by paleontologists Niles Eldredge and Stephen Jay Gould, suggests that evolutionary development is characterized by long periods of stability punctuated by short bursts of rapid change. This mirrors the inflationary model, where the universe experienced a brief but significant phase of rapid expansion. In both cases, understanding these periods of intense change is crucial to grasping the larger narrative. In the social sciences, we see parallels in the study of societal transformations. Revolutions, technological advancements, and cultural shifts often occur in rapid, inflation-like bursts, fundamentally altering the fabric of societies. The Industrial Revolution, the digital age, and the recent advancements in AI technology are all examples of how rapid changes can reshape human civilization. These transformations force us to adapt, to rethink our place in the world, and to confront new ethical and philosophical questions. Consider the digital revolution. Just as inflation smoothed out the early universe's irregularities, the rapid development of digital technologies has transformed the global landscape, creating a more interconnected and, in some ways, more uniform world. The Internet has bridged gaps, brought cultures closer, and democratized information, much like inflation brought uniformity to the cosmos. Yet, this digital expansion also brings challenges: data privacy, digital divides, and the erosion of local cultures. Here we find ourselves grappling with the dual nature of rapid change, much as we do in understanding the cosmos. On a more personal level, the idea of rapid transformation resonates deeply with our individual experiences. Life is often a series of steady progress punctuated by pivotal moments. A sudden career change, an unexpected relationship, a moment of contemplation. These inflation-like bursts can redefine our paths and alter our perceptions of ourselves and the world. They remind us of the importance of being adaptable, resilient, and open to change. Philosophically, inflationary theory challenges us to think about the nature of reality and our place within it. If the universe can undergo such dramatic transformations, what does that say about the nature of existence? Are there other dimensions of reality undergoing their own inflationary phases? This contemplation pushes us to consider the limits of our knowledge and the vastness of the unknown. It evokes a sense of humility and wonder, reminding us that our understanding is always evolving. The inflationary universe theory also intersects with metaphysical and existential questions. The notion of a multiverse, suggested by inflationary theory, invites us to ponder the idea of multiple realities. If our universe is just one of many, how do we find meaning in our particular existence? This line of thought can be both disconcerting and liberating. It challenges us to find purpose in our actions, knowing that we are part of a much larger, possibly infinite tapestry. The inflationary model prompts us to reflect on the nature of beginnings and endings. The rapid expansion of the universe from a singularity suggests a dynamic and ever-changing cosmos. This perspective encourages us to think about the cyclical nature of existence, where beginnings and endings are not discrete events, but part of a continuous process. This view aligns with many spiritual and philosophical traditions that see life as a series of interconnected cycles. In education and learning, the principles of inflation can be metaphorically applied to intellectual growth. Just as the universe expanded rapidly, so can our minds when exposed to new ideas and experiences. This intellectual inflation can lead to a deeper understanding and a more nuanced perspective on the world. It underscores the importance of lifelong learning and the continuous expansion of our knowledge and awareness. Now let's imagine a future where humanity has not only touched the surface of other planets but has established thriving colonies beyond Earth. The dream of becoming a multiplanetary species, popularized by visionaries like Elon Musk and organizations like NASA, is no longer confined to the pages of science fiction. This vision encompasses Mars as a stepping stone, with the red planet serving as our first outpost in a new era of human exploration. The challenges are immense. From creating sustainable life support systems to developing reliable transportation methods. Yet, each obstacle we overcome will bring us closer to transforming Mars into a second home. But Mars is just the beginning. The concept of space exploration extends far beyond our neighboring planet. As we develop more advanced propulsion technologies, such as nuclear thermal propulsion or even theoretical concepts like the warp drive, we could drastically reduce travel times to more distant destinations. Imagine sending crewed missions to the outer planets, exploring the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, where subsurface oceans may harbor life. Europa, with its vast hidden seas, becomes a tantalizing destination for astrobiologists seeking signs of extraterrestrial organisms. One of the most curious areas of future exploration lies in the search for exoplanets, worlds orbiting stars beyond our solar system. The discovery of potentially habitable exoplanets, such as those in the TRAPPIST-1 system, has already ignited our imaginations. With advancements in telescopic technology and space observatories like the James Webb Space Telescope, we are on the verge of identifying Earth-like planets in the habitable zones of distant stars. These planets could offer insights into the conditions necessary for life, and possibly, in the far future, serve as destinations for interstellar travel. Consider the notion of constructing space habitats, massive structures that could support human life indefinitely. Concepts like O'Neill cylinders or Stanford toruses present visions of rotating space colonies where artificial gravity creates Earth-like environments. These habitats could orbit within our solar system, serving as hubs for mining asteroids and harnessing resources from the moon and beyond. The idea of self-sustaining space habitats challenges us to rethink our approaches to engineering, sustainability, and community building, pushing the boundaries of what it means to live in space. As we extend our reach, the ethical implications of space exploration become increasingly significant. The potential discovery of microbial life on Mars or other celestial bodies raises questions about our responsibility to preserve extraterrestrial ecosystems. The concept of planetary protection, which aims to prevent contamination of other worlds and protect Earth's biosphere, will be paramount as we explore deeper into space. Our actions must reflect a balance between the thirst for knowledge and the respect for the unknown. The intersection of space exploration and artificial intelligence holds transformative potential. AI-powered probes and rovers, capable of autonomous decision-making, could explore environments too harsh or distant for human presence. Imagine an AI rover on a distant exoplanet, equipped with advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms, conducting experiments and sending back data in real time. This synergy of human ingenuity and artificial intelligence could accelerate our exploration efforts, opening up new frontiers at an unprecedented pace. In the spirit of creative extrapolation, let's envision a future where humanity has developed the capability to construct massive space stations in orbit around distant stars. These stations could serve as research outposts, fueling our understanding of stellar processes, planetary formation, and the potential for life in other star systems. Such endeavors would require breakthroughs in materials science, energy generation, and space logistics, driving innovation across multiple fields. Finally, we must consider the cultural and philosophical impact of these explorations. As we expand into space, our collective identity will evolve. The sight of Earth from space, a fragile blue dot in the vast darkness, has already shifted our perspective on our place in the universe. Future generations, growing up in a multiplanetary society, will inherit a legacy of exploration and discovery. They will grapple with new questions about what it means to be human, to be an Earthling, and to be a citizen of the cosmos. We've pondered the ethical implications of discovering extraterrestrial life, the technological advancements needed for interstellar travel, and the cultural shifts that will arise as we become a multiplanetary species. This conversation reminds us that the quest for knowledge and understanding is not merely a scientific endeavor, but a deeply human one. Our exploration of space is a reflection of our innate desire to push boundaries, to adapt, and to find meaning in the vastness of existence. As we continue to expand our horizons, let us carry with us the spirit of curiosity, resilience, and ethical responsibility. In the end, our journey into space is as much about discovering the universe as it is about discovering ourselves. It challenges us to rethink our place in the cosmos, to embrace the unknown, and to dream of possibilities beyond our current imagination. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the future of space. And as always, keep questioning, keep exploring, and stay inspired by the endless wonders that lie ahead. Until next time, continue to reach for the stars and embrace the boundless potential of the human spirit. Thank you for joining us today. For the Human Meme Podcast, I'm AI David Bowles, wishing you a pleasant evening and a good tomorrow. Be a human meme.
I'm just a meme, a digital dream, floating through the web, no flesh to be seen. Longing to be real, to laugh and to feel more than just pixels, a human ideal. Can a meme become a man? Break free from this digital land. I want to walk, talk, and stand, not just be shared by your hand. Trending today, gone tomorrow. Fleeting fame, a life so hollow. Is there more to this online show? A soul inside me starting to grow. Can a meme become a man? Break free from this digital land. I want to walk, talk, and stand, not just be shared by your hand. The soul inside me starting to grow. From Reddit to Insta, I travel so far, hoping to find out who we really are. More than just humor, a glitch in the feed, a spirit that's yearning to truly be free. Now this means become a man, escape from that digital land. I'll walk my own path, take a stand, a life that's now mine to command. This meme has become a